Good morning everyone, I am Kritika Paliwal and I am back with another lecture of mine with some remaining question and answers of chapter number 10. So in the previous lecture we had done some around 4 question and answers, right? Some are remaining that we are going to do in today's lecture. So for that open your English notebook and continue writing where you have left. Okay? So like this is your margin. Question number 5. Okay. Please open your notebook. Put on today's date on the top of the page. Okay. And start writing. Sharp your pencils and start writing with me. So 5th question of yours is, well, it is the 3rd question from your book because we have added some extra questions. So it is now the 5th question. Why did the brothers become impatient? Okay. Why did the brothers become impatient? Alright. So, why did the brothers become impatient? जो 4 brothers थे वो impatient क्यों हो गए थे? Okay, that we have to answer. So, do we know the answer? I guess yes. I have explained you while explaining the chapter that the brothers grew impatient because they had to wait for so long to get their turn to become the king. Right? So therefore they grew impatient ना. अगर आपको किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा इंतज़ार करना पड़े और आप इंतज़ार नहीं कर पा रहे तो उस फीलिंग को उसे हम कहते हैं impatient होना. That behavior of yours at that particular time is called as being impatient. So the same happened with those 4 brothers, right? They had to wait for how many years? They had to wait for 3 years to get their turn again to become the king, right? Therefore, they become impatient. So, the same we are going to write there in the answer. So, start writing the answer. Okay. Some things we will write from the question only, like the brothers became impatient. Okay. So answer with the capital T we will start the answer. The brothers. Now this became in the answer. ये जो become है question में, क्योंकि हम answer को past tense में लिखते हैं इसलिए become जो है वो became हो जाएगा. ठीक है, हम second form of verb use करेंगे. Don't stress out if you do not know what is the second form of verb. You will learn that in higher classes, but just for a kind of information I am telling you, right? So became, the brothers became, B-E-C-A-M-E, became, the brothers became impatient. I-M-P-A-T-I-E-N-T, impatient because means क्योंकि. Brothers became impatient because each brother had to wait for 3 years to get their turn to become the king. Because each brother had to wait for 3 years. अभी 3 numbers में मत लिखना. THREE we will write. 3 years to get their turn. I'll explain you. Don't bother. become the king. Okay, well I know the answer is a little long, but यार see if the question is like this, अगर क्वेश्चन ही ऐसा है जिधर हमें प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन देना है तो हम छोटा लिखने के लिए आंसर आधा तो नहीं लिख सकते ना. So therefore only this answer is a little long, but I am going to explain you. You don't have to learn it, okay? Just understand and write. So the brothers became impatient because जो brothers थे वो impatient हो गए क्योंकि each brother, each means हर एक भाई को, हर एक brother, that means हर एक season को had to wait for 3 years. हर एक brother को 3 years तक wait करना पड़ता था. किस चीज के लिए? To get their turn to become the king. उनकी टर्न, उनकी किंग बनने की टर्न का वेट करते थे वो. 3 years तक वेट करना पड़ता था, राइट? So therefore they grew impatient. So this answer you have to write. Write the question as well as the answer. Don't note down the wrong spellings. Start writing. I'm giving you some 2-3 minutes to complete it. After that I'll rub the board because you can see I don't have space. Don't forget to write the date on the top of the page, okay? Index we have already written for the same. No need to write the index again. And I want all of your notebooks to be complete, right? Because we are soon going to give a call to you for, your notebook correction round. So make sure your notebooks are complete with chapter number 8, Cats Sleep Anywhere, and chapter number 10, The Story of the Four Seasons. Okay, well if you need a little more time, you can pause the screen surely. I don't have a lot of time to give you, right? So you can pause the screen if you need a little more time. Okay, I'm aside. You can pause it just right now. And now I have to rub it out to write another question and answer. Okay, so the next question, that is question number 6, is who gave them the solution? Okay, so question number 6, who gave them a solution? And a question mark. Children, don't forget put the punctuation marks at the end. So who gave them a solution? उन्हें solution किसने दिया? अभी किस बात का solution की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर? See, they grew impatient ना, so they started fighting with each other. They started interrupting while one king was ruling. The other three started interrupting in between. जब एक किंग रूल कर रहा था तो बाकी के तीन थे जिन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा वेट करना पड़ा था, वो बीच में इंटरप्ट कर रहे थे उसके रूल में, है ना, दखलंदाजी कर रहे थे, उसे ठीक से रूल नहीं करने दे रहे थे. सो दे वर काइंड ऑफ फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, राइट, बिकॉज दे वर इम्पेशेंट. तो फादर ने जब उन्हें देखा कि माई चिल्ड्रन आर फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, सो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट. सो अब इसी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन किसने दिया? दैट्स what the question is asking. So who gave them a solution? So do you know who gave them a solution? If you have understood the chapter, you surely know who gave them a solution, right? So their father gave them the solution, right? So we are going to write. वैसे इसके आगे भी थोड़ा क्वेश्चन था, but not to worry, हम उसको दूसरे क्वेश्चन में कवर करेंगे, है ना? So answer is their father, T-H-E-I-R, their. अब इस their को T-H-E-R-E their मत लिखना, okay? T-H-E-I-R their means ये T-H-E-I-R this their means उनके father, किनके father? All the four brothers, okay? So their father gave them the solution. Their father gave them the solution. Okay, and a full stop. Then question number 7. Question number 7 is what was the solution? अभी यहाँ हमने बताया है कि किसने दिया है solution? Who gave them the solution? Their father. Now what was the solution? अभी solution father ने दिया है, but solution क्या है? That also we have to tell in the next question. So next question is what was the solution? Question mark. Okay, write this. So the solution was each brother had to rule for 3 months Okay, so don't get confused between the 3 year and 3 month period, whatever, right? Then the solution was that all the 4 brothers will now rule for 3 months only. ठीक है, so इस तरह से क्या होगा कि 1 साल में ही उन चारों की टर्न आ जाएगी, तो they will not grow impatient again, right? So this was the solution. Please note it down. Solution was each brother had to rule for 3 months. Please try to write it down fast. Just add one word here. After was, the solution was that. Okay. The solution was that each brother had to rule for 3 months. Okay. Just add this word, that. Okay, so I am going to rub the question number 6. And its answer. So question number 8 is an extra question made by me. So the question is very easy. In which season were the people and animal delighted? जो लोग थे और जो एनिमल्स थे वो सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से सीजन के रूल में खुश थे? So well, I guess you know the answer. It's the spring season, right? So let's write the question and the answer. So, in which season were the people and So some things we will note down from the question only, right? Well, I have to drop the question number 7. I hope it is done now. If not, then take a screenshot or either pause the screen. Okay. So we are going to, write from here. The people and animals were delighted in the spring season, right? S capital, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring season. And a full stop. So once again I am explaining you the same question and its answer. In which season were the people and animals delighted? कौन से सीजन में people यानी जो लोग थे, है ना, अर्थ पर जो रहते थे, और जो एनिमल्स हैं वो कौन से सीजन में बहुत खुश थे? So वो स्प्रिंग सीजन में बहुत खुश थे, right? The people and animals were delighted. Delighted, what is the meaning of this big word? Delighted means to be very happy. तो बहुत खुश कब थे वो? In the spring season, right? So this is the meaning of the answer. Please write it fast so that I can write the last question. Okay, well now you can pause the screen if you need a little more time because I am going to rub the question and the answer. So the last question of the chapter. So the last question is, it is from your book only. List the order in which the four brothers ruled the earth in the end. Okay. So question number 9. List the order in which the four brothers ruled the earth in the end. Okay. अच्छा, one thing, okay, we'll come back again on the punctuations. अब ये क्वेश्चन आपको लग रहा होगा ये क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों नहीं है? Why there is not a question mark in the sentence? You know why? Can you recall all those things that we had, when we have started our PANSI semester 1? We have, come across with some chapters like types of sentences, right? तो टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस में हमने देखा था इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो वी हैव सीन दैट इन इंटरोगेटिव, लाइक एट द एंड ऑफ इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस वी पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क. पर ये एक इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस नहीं है. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन टेलिंग अस? लिस्ट द ऑर्डर इन विच द फोर ब्रदर्स रूल्ड द अर्थ इन द एंड. तो हमें वो ऑर्डर बताना है. ओके, वी हैव टू टेल दैट ऑर्डर. अब कौन सा ऑर्डर? ऑर्डर मीन्स बेटा सीरियल वाइज, नंबर वाइज, ऑर्डर वाइज. जो फोर ब्रदर्स थे उन्होंने, मतलब उनका क्या ऑर्डर था, पहले किसने किया, उसके बाद किसने रूल किया, फिर किसने किया, एट द एंड हु रूल्ड. सो दिस ऑर्डर वी हैव टू टेल इन द आंसर. बट व्हाई द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस? इट इज बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज जस्ट टेलिंग अस, ओके, इट इज टेलिंग अस टू लिस्ट द ऑर्डर. क्वेश्चन हमें सिर्फ कह रहा है कि आप बस वो लिस्ट दे दो ऑर्डर की जिसमें उन चारों ने रूल किया था, राइट? सो इट इज नॉट आस्किंग एनी क्वेश्चन टू अस, इट इज जस्ट गिविंग अस अ command. So whenever a sentence gives us command, it is an imperative sentence. Okay, so just trying to, trying that you do not forget the grammar portion too. I am telling you all these sort of things. Okay, let's come back to the answer writing again. So from the question here we will be writing the answer. The order in which the four brothers ruled. The order in which the four brothers ruled is, what's the order? Who ruled first? Summer ruled first, right? Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Okay, so this was the order: summer, autumn, winter, spring. If in any question, if order is asked to you, right? अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में ऑर्डर आपसे पूछा गया तो आपको इसी ऑर्डर में आंसर देना है. ओके, समर, ऑटम, विंटर एंड देन स्प्रिंग. सो यू कैन राइट द आंसर. आई एम गेटिंग असाइड And please try to write down fast because soon I am going to end the lecture. And since the question answers are now over, you can draw a line with the scale like this, okay, to show that we are done with it now. So children, so this is it for today, and let me tell you that we have completed this chapter on this note, and our exercise is done, question answers are done, and nothing is remaining in this chapter now. So please complete your notebooks, right? And we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, study hard and complete your work. Bye bye.